Dear children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn the shapes and angles. First we can learn about the shapes. In your lower classes you have learned about the 2D shapes, 3D shapes. Here also we are going to learn the same thing with little more explanation. You know that these are the shapes you have learned in your lower class. So to draw a shape we need some lines. So that may be a curved line or straight line. Here this is a straight line, this is a curved line. By using these lines you can draw any figures, any diagrams. A shape that has different starting and ending points is known as an open shape. Here the figure is started from here and we have drawn a lines, some straight lines we have drawn and we made a figure. But this ending point is different. This is not ended to with the starting point. If it is not ended like that, we can say that is a open figure. Here these are all the examples of open figure, open shapes. A shape that has same starting and ending points is known as a closed shape. The same shapes can be drawn like this. So here we can't find out where you have started the point, where you ended. You can draw the square. It may be the starting point. We can draw like this, or this may be the starting point. So here all the starting and ending points are same. So this is called as closed shape. Now, can you draw some closed and open figures? You can draw any shapes, but the starting point is important. So, this is a point. This is a point. This can be drawn with a pen or pencil. Small dot is called as point. And also, we can name it with a capital letter A or O, whatever it may be, we can use it. So a point is a dot made by pencil or pen. It has no length, breadth and width. So just it's a dot. It is called as point. And in your childhood we have learned about the number line. You used to use the line for addition, isn't it? This is the number line. If you want to add, you can go forward. If you want to subtract, we will come backward. Like that we added. But here we said that this is a number line. So when you are drawing this line, here the arrow mark is important. The both sides arrow mark is important. This is called as line, and this arrow mark indicates that this line can be extended. Here we have given a line. This is a point, B point. We can name that A and B. Here we have a arrow mark. So we can extend the line. We can extend the line. Here also you can erase it and you can draw a line here also. So that it tells that we can extend the line both the sides. So line, how can we find out it's a line? The line can be written like this. The line of the name is A and B. Here we have marked that double arrow mark, double side headed arrow we have drawn. So it tells that this is a line. Next, the explanation of a line. A line is a straight set of points that can be extended in both the directions. So this is the explanation of line. Next we can see the line segment. Now How to draw the line segment? In a line, the small part, the small measurement, it's called as line segment. So for that, you have to use one end point, starting point and end point. We can name it with a capital letter. It must be in a capital. Any alphabets can be used, not only A, B, any alphabets can be used here. And line segment has been written like this, A, B, and at the top of that, we can use a symbol line. It tells that it is a line segment. Here, there will be the starting point and ending point. Then we can go to the next one, how to draw a line. So, to draw the line, you know that we want to use the ruler. This is a scale, you want to use it. So, when you are thinking about these measurements, each measurement is millimeter. The small dotted lines are there, no? That everything is a millimeter. Here we can start from here. This is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, that you have learned in your lower class itself. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. The next point is 1.1 centimeter. Next point 1.2. This is 1.3. Next 1.4. The center point is 1.5 centimeter and it goes on. If you want to draw a line, first you want to need the measurement. Here it has given, draw 5 centimeter line segment. So first you want to keep a dot and you want to keep the ruler like this. It must face the 0 point here. 0 centimeter must be placed here. And then I need 5 centimeter. So I can take a pencil and I can keep one point here. So it tells that that is the end point. So I kept here. I can remove the, I can join these 2 points now. Now I can join these 2 points. So this is called as a line segment. This is a 5 centimeter line segment. Now I can give a name A and B. You can give P, Q, L, M, X, Y, whatever it may be you can give. But I have given A and B. So this is a AB line segment with 5 centimeter. Now you want to draw a line segment with 7.5 centimeter. So here I placed 0 here. The ending point, this is 7 centimeter. It is 7.1. So I marked a line here. So now I can join these 2 lines and I can give a name also. So this is 7.5 centimeter of line segment. So AB line segment is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now we are going to learn about some shapes. By the line segment, we can draw some shapes like this. It's a square, rectangle, triangle. Like this, we can draw any shapes. This shapes is called as polygons. These shapes are called as polygons. Polygons are many-sided figures with sides that are line segments. So we have a many sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides are here. Here we have 3 sides, here we have 4 sides. Like that, any number of sides can be there. It is a closed figure and this is called as polygons. This is called as polygons. Some polygons are given here. 4-sided, it's a square, triangle with the number of sides. With the number of sides, we can name the figure. Here 8 sides are there. So we can say it's a octagon. Here we have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there. We can say the name is pentagon. It has 6 sides. We can say it's a hexagon. We can find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides are there. We can say the name is heptagon, nonagon. So like that we can Name the shapes based upon their sides. Now we are going to learn the new word quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. It means all the four-sided figures are called quadrilateral. So if we have a rectangle, a rectangle is a quadrilateral. If you are drawing a square, it's a quadrilateral. Like this, we have some figures. We can see some examples. This is parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium, kite. Like this, we have some quadrilateral also. So these are the shapes we have learned in this module. I hope that you understood the topic of it and some properties. Let us see some properties to include it. Two pairs of parallel sides and opposite sides are equal. Parallel means as like a railway track, it has a parallel line. Two pairs, one pair and two pairs of parallel sides. Opposite sides are equal. As like our rectangle, here also the opposite sides are equal. Here it's looked like a square and parallelogram with four equal sides. Four equal sides. And here this is a trapezium. Two sides are parallel. Here we can say this side and the top side both are parallel. This is not a parallel. So two pairs of adjacent sides of the same length. Here these two are equal. Here these two are equal in size. Okay, two pairs of adjacent sides. So adjacent sides means here we can say it's the opposite sides are equal, but here nearby the two sides are equal. That is called as adjacent sides. So these are all the properties of quadrilateral. Thank you, children.